Hey, I'm Jason. Welcome to Revant HQ. Today I'm going to show you exactly how we make the best lenses in the world right here in Portland, Oregon. We have a customer, Jeff, who scratched up his Oakley Holbrook lenses. We're going to cut him a brand new pair of lenses here, ice blue. Let's get into it. Jeff absolutely loves his Holbrook sunglasses. Unfortunately, his lenses have been scratched up. They've seen better days. So he went to RevantOptics.com, like many of our customers do, to find new lenses. He selected our ice blue mirror shield lenses, one of our most popular. Not only will these restore his vision, they'll take his frames to the next level. All right, next I'm going to take you over to our pick station here, where one of our lens experts, Maria, will select one of over 40 different lens options tied to Jeff's order. Now that the lenses have been loaded up here in the tray, we'll take Jeff's ice blue lenses here, place them on the conveyor belt. Now this conveyor belt's automated. It can hold 144 orders that will feed into our custom-made CNC router here. This is made by MEI, state-of-the-art equipment, and this is really what makes our lenses stand out from anything else on the market. It uses a camera-based system to find the optical center of the lens before it's edged out. Pulls those lenses into the edging machine where our routers will cut your lenses. It's a precision cut to perfectly fit in your frame. Once the lens cutting sequence is complete, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes, Jeff's lenses get loaded back up into the tray and they come out this end. Now, this conveyor belt is also automated, and we'll go down to the next and final phase of the process here where we do a quality check. We have a lens expert that holds the lenses up, makes sure there are no blemishes or marks before they're packaged up at this final station, where they're loaded into a soft cloth bag, put in a Revant box and then an outer shipping box to make sure they're protected, and then they get shipped out the door to you. If you order before 11 a.m., we usually can get it out the door same day because this manufacturing line is so efficient. This is an award-winning facility that took us about 5 years to build, and for good reason. We have 100,000 different options online that we can cut in this facility. So if you need new lenses, check out RevantOptics.com. You'll find something that will work incredibly well for your frame at an affordable price. Also, if you want to see behind the scenes here at what we're doing here at Revant, because there's a lot going on, please like or subscribe to our channel. We're going to be putting out a lot more videos. I hope you check them out.